In this AutoCAD video, we're going to discuss copy and mirror. Since these are simplified videos, please note there are often multiple ways to achieve the same result. I only try to give out one or two, so hopefully not to confuse you. Because model space is 1:1, you will draw your item full scale in the model. So for instance, if I was going to make a simple box, I would go in, I click my start point, I go the direction I want to go, and I'm going to type in the exact amount I need. So let's say, for instance, 24 inches. I don't have to hit inches because the computer automatically reverts to inches. So I have 24 inches, and we can see that one a little big. Then I can go whatever side direction I want to go. We'll just do 3 inches on that. We'll go back 24 inches this way, and we close. So now I have an item here that I could maneuver and make copies of. You can do this a couple of different ways, and one of the things that we will learn in class is how to encompass the entire item. If you go from right to left, you've got to touch every line, and then of course you've made sure that it is highlighted. You can see the grips on each one of those lines, so I know I have it. If I go from left to right, it only takes the items that I actually touch, not the entire thing. So you can see here, because I have separate lines, it's not all grasping. So here's my entire item, and if I want to copy it, I go to the copy command. Then I look down here. This is what we call our command prompt line. Read it. It is going to be your friend. Specify your base point. Now you've got to choose a point on the item that you want to go from. So I'm just going to go to the center. I can bring this item now out left, right, top, bottom, diagonally. It doesn't matter. I don't have my ortho on. So let's say I want to bring it out right, and I want to go, I'm just going to say 9 inches. So 9, enter. Then it locks it. Now if I want to go another 9, remember we're starting from the original point, not where I've made my copy. So instead of 9 now, I would double that and make 18. So there I have 3 copies, or an original and 2 copies of an item that I've made. Now what if I wanted to mirror this? Mirror is an interesting concept because you've got to think about where the edge of your mirror is. Not the mirror part you're looking in, but the edge part that you can actually see. So if I go to the mirror command, which is right here, and I tell the computer I want to mirror, I'm back down to looking at my command prompt line. It says select the objects you want to mirror. I could say, well, I want to mirror all of these. I right click, and then I hit enter. Now it wants to know the mirror line. So let's say we're going to mirror it over to the right. The mirror line then is just the thin line that you would see if you were not looking directly in the mirror. So if I brought this down and this down, look at the command prompt line again. It says, do you want to erase the source objects? No is the default. If I don't want to do anything, I just hit enter. And now I have created 6 of these items instead of just the 3. What if I wanted to mirror it over top? I'm going to zoom out just a little more here. And now I'm going to say, yes, I want to mirror again. Again, select the items that you want to mirror. Right click is enter. Now I draw my mirror line, and what if I want to do mirror this direction now? Again, I have to tell the computer, do you want to erase source objects? No, I don't. So now I have mirror on that area as well. Mirror and copy are going to help you a lot in the future. If you keep in mind what they can do for you, they are a vital part of your AutoCAD experience.